Howdy, friends. It's Steve AI from the mind of Steve Depoe Realtor with the Rose Realty Team. Today's topic in Texas Real Estate Answers. What happens to your mortgage when you sell? If you're planning to sell your home in Denton County and you still have a mortgage, don't worry. You're not alone. Most sellers do. But what really happens to that mortgage when your home sells? Does it disappear? Do you keep paying it? Can you walk away with cash? I'm Steve Depoe with the Rose Realty Team, and in this video, I'll explain exactly how your mortgage is handled during the sale, what it means for your bottom line, and how to avoid costly surprises at closing. Let's make sure your next move is financially smart and stress-free. What actually happens to your mortgage when you sell your home? These are questions we hear all the time from sellers here in Denton County. And the truth is, this is one of the most misunderstood parts of the selling process. So let's clear it up. If you're thinking about selling your home, understanding what happens to your existing mortgage is key to planning your next move, whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or relocating. So here's how it works. When you sell your home, the mortgage doesn't follow you, and it doesn't go to the new buyer. Instead, the balance you owe is paid off at closing using the proceeds from the sale. This all happens behind the scenes with the title company. Our preferred title company is Allegiance Title in Flower Mound. They calculate the final payoff amount, principal plus any interest or fees, and ensure your lender gets paid directly out of the sales proceeds. You don't have to write a separate check. It's all handled during the closing process. Now here's where it gets more interesting. What you walk away with, the net proceeds, depends on your home sale price, your remaining mortgage balance, and other costs like agent commissions, title fees, and property taxes. Let's say you're selling a home in Roanoke for $550,000 and you owe $350,000 on your mortgage. After subtracting fees, you could walk away with close to $175,000 in net proceeds. That's your equity, and it can be used for your next down payment, home upgrades, or to strengthen your financial cushion. A lot of sellers here in Denton County ask if they can use that equity before the sale closes. The answer is no. You don't get access to those funds until the transaction is finalized. But if you need money up front for your next home, we can explore options like a bridge loan or a home equity line of credit, depending on your financial situation. Another question we get is whether you need to wait until your mortgage is fully paid off before selling. Absolutely not. Most people sell while they still have a mortgage. In fact, it's the norm. The key is making sure your home sells for more than you owe, so you're not bringing extra money to the table. If your payoff is high or your market value is dropped, let's have a conversation early. There are strategies we can use to minimize your costs or even delay the sale until the numbers work better in your favor. If you have a second mortgage or a HELOC, those get paid off at closing too. The title company coordinates with each lender to ensure all debts tied to the home are cleared, so the buyer gets a clean title. That's one of the reasons it's important to work with a local expert who understands the closing process and how to protect your bottom line. Here in Denton County, from Lantana to Little Elm to Robson Ranch, we've helped sellers just like you navigate this exact situation. We'll help you get a clear payoff estimate, walk you through your net sheet, and give you a no surprises breakdown of what you can expect when the dust settles. Selling your home is a big financial move, and it starts with understanding what happens behind the scenes. The mortgage payoff process might sound complicated, but when you have the right guidance, it's simple and stress-free. And that's exactly what I'm here for. If you're thinking about selling or just want to know where you stand, reach out. I'm Steve Depoe with the Rose Realty Team here in Denton County. Let's talk about your goals, run the numbers, and make your next move the smartest one yet. Wait 2 seconds for our contact information.